You might think you're a good driver, but what if I told you you've been silently killing your car without even knowing it? From skipping one simple habit that wrecks your engine, to doing something everyone does at red lights that slowly drains your battery. These 17 mistakes are the reason your car breaks down too soon, costs you a fortune in repairs, and becomes a rolling money pit. If you do even 5 of these, you're slowly destroying your ride. Let's expose the truth before your car ends up in a junkyard. You hop in, twist the key or hit the push start, and immediately rev the engine. Big mistake. Your engine oil hasn't fully circulated yet. Revving too early means you're grinding cold metal on metal. Over time, it eats away at your pistons and gaskets like acid. Be smart. Let it idle for 30 seconds. Let it breathe. Looks innocent, right? Resting your hand on the gear shifter wears out the selector fork in manual transmissions. It's like holding light tension on your shoulder all day. It'll break down. Keep both hands on the wheel unless you're shifting. That lever isn't your armrest. Ticking, squeaking, humming. If your car starts singing, don't ignore the tune. That sound is a warning. Could be brake pads. Could be a failing water pump. Ignore it now, pay double later. Instead of tapping, you're pressing the brake all the way downhill. Congrats, you just cooked your brake pads. Next time you're on a mountain road, use engine braking. Shift into lower gear. It'll save your brakes, your wallet, and maybe your life. Just because your SUV has room for 6 adults, 5 suitcases, and a rooftop tent, doesn't mean it should. Overloading wrecks your suspension, brakes, and tires. Plus, your fuel economy plummets. Check your owner's manual for the max load limit, and respect it. You think you're saving time by not stopping for gas? Well, your fuel pump thinks otherwise. Running on fumes overheats the pump because it uses gasoline to stay cool. Do it often and you'll pay hundreds replacing it. Always fill up at a quarter tank, not 0. You're not the Hulk. Slamming your hood or trunk doesn't show strength, it shows carelessness. It damages the latches, sensors, and alignment. Close with a firm push, not a WWE move. Even light pressure on the clutch pedal engages the clutch slightly. That means you're burning the clutch while doing absolutely nothing. It's like riding a bicycle with the brake half on. Keep your foot off unless you're shifting. Dish soap is cheap, it's in the kitchen. But it strips wax, clear coat, and paint protection. You might as well rub sandpaper on your paint job. Use proper car shampoo, it's literally made for your vehicle's finish. Driving with low tire pressure doesn't just waste gas. It ruins your tire tread, kills your alignment, and affects handling. A $25 pressure gauge can save you thousands. Check monthly, not just when the dashboard light screams. You're breathing in mold, dirt, and pollution. A dirty cabin air filter forces your AC to work harder and can make you sick. Replace it every 12,000 to 15,000 miles. Your lungs will thank you. We get it, you're late, but redlining a cold engine is asking for trouble. Give your engine time to warm up. Oil needs to reach optimal viscosity. Go easy on the pedal for the first few minutes. Your engine's lifespan depends on it. Does your car pull to one side? That's not normal, that's misalignment. And it chews through your tires faster than a paper shredder. Fix it before you're buying new rubber every 10,000 miles. One bad pothole hit can bend your rim, ruin your alignment, or even bust a shock absorber. Slow down, don't swerve dangerously, but respect the road. Your suspension will love you for it. If your car needs 91 octane and you're filling up with 87 to save a buck, you're not saving, you're damaging. Knocking, poor performance, and engine deposits will cost far more in the long run. Use what's recommended, not what's cheapest. Ever hear that clunk when you shift into park on a hill? That's your transmission taking all the weight. Engage the parking brake first, then shift into park. Let the brake do its job, not your gears. That's the biggest mistake of all. Cars hide their problems until it's too late. Oil changes, belt replacements, fluid flushes. They may seem optional now, but they'll be mandatory with interest if ignored. So now you know. Every mistake is a countdown. Not today, not tomorrow. But one day, your car will pay the price. But here's the truth, you're not stupid. You're smart enough to learn, smart enough to change, and smart enough to protect your investment. If even one of these mistakes made you say, damn, I do that, Then you need to subscribe right now because on Gear Specs, we expose the costly car secrets no one tells you. We save your car, your wallet, and your time. Hit that like button if this opened your eyes. Drop a comment with the number of mistakes you've made, no judgment. And don't forget to share this with a friend before they wreck their ride without even knowing it. Drive smart, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.